take a look at career development practices. Organizations have a wide range of possible career development tools and activities from which to choose. Some of these, such as self awareness workshops, are intended primarily for career planning and development, while others, such as recruitment, are part of a normal HR management activity. Self assessment activities such as career planning, workshops, and the like focus on providing employees with a systematic way to identify capabilities and career preferences. Self assessment is best used as a first step in the process. Career planning workshops focus on self discovery, discussions with a facilitator and other participants, identification of possible career direction and opportunity, and career goal setting. Individual career counseling involves one on one discussions between an employee and an organization's representative. Sessions can range from brief, informal talks to a series of discussions with a manager or counseling professional. Counseling can also be used to those who are approaching retirement or about to be laid off or terminated. Outplacement counseling focuses on assisting terminated employees in making a transition to a new organization. Employees engaged in career planning need accurate environmental information in addition to an accurate self assessment. To this end, an organization should provide employees with information about available job opportunity. Organizations have an interest in ensuring that they have individuals who are ready to fill key positions when they become vacant. To this end, many organizations evaluate the promotability of managerial, professional, and technical employees. Development programs include job rotation, in-house HRD programs, external workshops and seminars, tuition assistance and reimbursement plans, and mentoring programs. These programs provide employees with opportunities to learn new ideas and skills, thus preparing them for future positions.